pineapple daiquiri. It's tropical, fresh and funky. I'm not sure about you lot, but I always find when you're in a crowded bar, the person in front of you is always ordering an alternative daiquiri, and they always happen to be ordering 20 shots, half of which are B-52s, to give to her cackling friends in the corner who are laughing like a pack of demented seals and hyenas. So let me pose this question to you all. What is the most annoying drink other people order when you're queuing at a bar with them or you're working behind the bar? And the answer is not going to be a Ramos Gin Fizz. The ingredient lineup: you want to start with a light rum, like a Cuban style one. I've gone a little bit different. I went for the El Dorado as a bottle was giving me the eye in the cupboard earlier. Fresh pineapple juice, simple syrup and fresh lime juice. Today we're going to be doing a different version, which is going to be on the rocks. I found this on Simon Difford's site, which is like the encyclopedia of cocktails. It's absolutely great, and I think it's a brilliant shout to serve it this way, as I often find cocktails in the sour family can be underwhelming, especially in terms of volume, as they're always served up in small delicate glasses. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml, of our rum to the shaker. Then you want to follow this up with 1 to 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. I went a little bit extra here as I did want a longer drink. Then add 1/4 ounce, so that's 7.5ml of simple syrup. Then lastly add 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of fresh lime juice, as we need to sharpen this up a bit, like your sour-faced mother-in-law when she comes around the house for a barbecue. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. Now the history on this is quite of a tricky one because nobody seems to have claimed it, but you go back and you click on my daiquiri video or you search on the internet, there's plenty of history there. Then strain the contents of the shaker into an ice-filled rocks glass. Now for our garnish, we're just going to make a sail thing with like a dehydrated pineapple and a cherry. I'm not a big fan of dehydrated fruit in cocktails. I had a big fad a few years ago and I just think it was overhyped a bit, but I think this looks great, and thank you for Difford's for the inspiration on this one because I think it looks really cool. The taste test. This is good. The rum and the pineapple are classical pairings. The lime gives you some much needed acidity, and I love the idea of having them on the rocks. As I do this with margaritas, some people might disagree, but I think this is a game changer. Lastly, this is a real simple drink to make, so you can easily churn these out by the dozen. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.